Oh, Taco Bell, what you got for your boy? You got me over here with the nappy taco meat out and everything. But what you got inside? And Taco Bell, what you got? Alright guys, I know this is an off-brand video. If you hear any kind of noise in the background, that's my AC running. 90 degrees outside, and I ain't even messing around. Holla at your boy. Listen, I went to the grocery store today, came home, this box was at my front door. I saw a Taco brand logo all over the piece, so I knew it was from TB, you know? So I was like, well, let me just go ahead and present it to my foodie fam. And if it's anything you guys want, hit me in the comment section below and just say you want it. You ain't gotta do nothing else. You ain't gotta like the video. You ain't gotta subscribe. You ain't gotta jump through hoops. You ain't gotta go run across the bridge and give me cheesecake. I'm a real dude. You want it? Just say you want it. Real simple, all right? I don't like the mother sucker creators you used to dealing with. If you get anything from their giveaways at all. Oh! Oh! Yo, my hair is mad nappy, B. I need a haircut. I need to put a regular shirt on. I got nothing but bosom meat out here on you guys, yo. Let's open this thing up, man. Come on, man. Let's hit this thing up, man. Yeah, chill, chill. Let me mad your Afro pig don't open up boxes. Chill, kid. Oh, 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 oh. Y'all gonna see it before I do, so let me know what up. Let me know what's up. What's in the box? Foodie fam, holla at me. What's in here? What's in here? Is it something that y'all want? Huh? I can't see. Is it? Oh, 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 it's fire? All right, Foodie fam, Taco Bell saying this joint right here is fire because you're the best. Taco Bell. Aw. Aw, Taco Bell. Oh. Oh, what y'all got? Hold on, let me turn this around, kid. Taco Bell. Fire, tortilla chips, never a dull moment. I say, hold up, though. Go ahead, let me just put it up over here on the bosom meat. Ooh, what else we got? All right, y'all, looks like Taco Bell got a little letter. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and check this thing out together. We know you're no stranger to Taco Bell sauce packets. Well, we've got some big news to spice up your day. We took the iconic Taco Bell sauce packet flavors that you already love and created our very own Taco Bell tortilla chips. That's right. You're about to be one of the first to try Taco Bell's new sauce packet flavored tortilla chips in the iconic flavors of mild and fire. Now at 7-Eleven stores near you. Hungry for more? Keep an eye out for more retail locations soon. Taco Bell.
2018 Taco Bell IP holder, LLC.
All right, Foodie fam. First, we're gonna try Taco Bell's mild tortilla chips. I had so much fun. All right. Ooh, they smell a little deep-rooted. I mean, they're rooted. Look spicy. They look like they might be a problem in these streets, a mild problem to have, but they look crazy flavorful and mad crispy. But let's go ahead and try one of these things for ourselves. Foodie fam, this is something to look forward to. And I guess it's coming to a 7-Eleven near you. They look like they're more seasoned on one side than the other. Lightly seasoned up over here. Let's go ahead and flip that thing around. And heavily seasoned up right here. Light crisp on the tortilla chip. Taco Bell, your mild chip, 5 all day banger. Not because you sent these joints to me, but if I would have picked them up in the store next to a bag of Ritos, don't even call them Doritos, I know I call them Ritos, some nacho cheese Ritos, because you know how me and Reek get down. I buy another bag. You're mild? Okay. Okay, it tastes like one of your tacos with a little extra seasoning. Not too spicy. Little bit of cheese on that. Hold on. Good girl. Got a little kick. It got a light kick. You know, like Street Fighter light kick? It got a Street Fighter light kick to it. Okay. Now, I'm gonna mess around and try these fire joints, baby. The fire. Introducing Taco Bell's new fire tortilla chips. If you're not afraid to be bold, then I'm the one for you. I'm crispy, crunchy, and full of fiery flavor that will rock your world. Simply put, I'm fire. Dare to dance with me? Okay. All right, Taco Bell. I see you talking that talk. I see you talking that talk. I don't know. These are the type of chips that when you get them on your fingers, you got to wash your fingertips off immediately. Don't touch your eyes. These look like they're about to be a problem in these streets. I'm not saying I'm scared, Foodie Fam. I'm just saying, if you eat them wrong and they get stuck in your throat, like the spiciness of it gets stuck in your throat. Oh, look at them up close. I had to shake the bag. Look at them things up close. They look like they're doing the most without a piece of French toast. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Okay, now. Okay, why are you so upset and furious? Furious Pete, why are you in there like that? Why are you acting like, why are you so angry? These chips look angry, Taco Bell. Why you got them looking like that? What is that? That's that lime? You got some cumin on these things? You got red hot chili peppers, ghost peppers? You got the type of peppers ain't even heard about before. You managed to get the last dab in on these things right here? New flavors of the last dab? Yo. Ooh, these things smell potent. 911 better be on standby. Oh, these chips will make you put respect on Taco Bell's name. If you take these 3 chips right here and shove them in your mouth, you're gonna get the burn down your throat, not a topical burn. It won't hit your lips. It won't sit and reside on the tongue. This is back of the throat burn chips. These chips are serious. These chips have been dipped in the pits of despair. These chips are an individual holding a grudge for a long time. Like when they created the chips in the test kitchen, that day the grudge started. The grudge probably arrived to me a couple months later. I can still taste the grudge. All I'm saying is, I'm holding these chips, my fingertips have an attitude problem with me. Like they don't want to work after this. Taco Bell, your fire chips, out of respect, I gotta give you fire chips. I don't like the taste, it's just hot. I'm gonna give them a 4. But as far as the levels of why me, no, not now, leave me alone, bye-bye, run, don't come back, no, I'd have to give them a 5. These things right here, oh, had me drinking that water quick, fast, and in a hurry. Only because I'm lactose intolerant, and I ain't trying to sit here with the trouble guts like that. I ain't trying to be all over the place. No, not me, no. All I'm saying is your fire chips, they shouldn't even be sold at 7-Eleven. Not without a warning. And you put these chips next to them spicy chips, you better put a warning label. Needs to be above the chips. Warning, don't do it to yourself. Warning, you in for a treat. A hot treat, a surprise for your eyes. A surprise that never lies. Look, Taco Bell, you play. You play too much, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it, Daym, do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it no more. All I know is Taco Bell saying both they're mild and they fire chips. If they're not currently in a 7-Eleven near you, they're gonna be. They sent these joints to my house. I'm gonna keep buying the mild. I can get busy with this. I'll be minding my business when it comes to these fire chips. These fire chips ain't none no part of my business. I word up. Hope you enjoyed this review. You know that's real right there. That's real. If Taco Bell served me up some trash on both bags, they both would have got a -2 boo-boo to food. But the mild chips, matter of fact, let me go back over here. I had so much fun. You right, I did. Just like a taco. These mild chips are festive. That's what they are festive inside your mouth. I like them. I like them. Hey guys, for those of you that caught me and my grandfather doing our first food review together, if you didn't watch it, the link's in the description box below. I'm gonna put it up for you to check it out because that was amazing. He came through and had me looking crazy, man. Had me looking like I'm brand new, man. Holla at your boy. If you're new around here, be sure to hit the video with a thumbs up. Or hit it with a thumbs down if you hated the video. That's cool. Subscribe, man. Subscribe, rock with your boy the long way, all that good stuff. I try to give you videos every week when I'm around and I'm not traveling. This is an off-brand review because it wasn't expected. Taco Bell unboxing. I hope it was worth your time. Thanks for watching. You know how we get down every Monday through Friday. Ooh.